Well, welcome, I Love Butter fans. As part of the Christmas spirit and the Christmas season, we're all preparing little things, and this is my little DIY Batchelor trifle. These will go into these little containers with the cream, and given it a big Star Wars fans, we'll be using the Star Wars little spatula just to get all the cream out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get some of this jelly, and everything is COVID safe. Whoop! Now that can happen with a bit of jelly every now and then. Swirl all around, just a bit more. Okay. There's no real sort of way to do it, just to get that good consistency, because no trifle is perfect. It can be a trifle difficult every now and then. That's part of the fun. This can be done in some nice crystalware as well. It's a trifle unsettling, but a Batchelor way to do it nonetheless.